Hello everyone! Let's explore the power of Flipgrid combined with a Wacom tablet. So what I can do with this thing is if I go to effects and if I choose a board, I've always had that whiteboard and blackboard, but it's gotten a lot better. Let's use graph paper today. Let us split our screen like that. Choose a drawing tool and get to work here. How amazing is that? I will be showing off the power of Flipgrid paired with the Wacom tablet in a webinar on Wednesday, August 26th at 3 p.m. Eastern. I very much hope to see you there.